Bain Panyal Chije to Tonkala Ben Kala Kang Dadilla Bain Yalit a shit cow tin Korean Hiran Chom Domde, we in a Korean a pay cam Kodeben Na lady a Kawarti Mimaben La Nial Kalo Care Care Pay a bit the work in a yitin.
For us as a ministry, as Samaritan's Purse, we're here to support the Church of Jesus Christ. And when you look at the history of Christianity here in South Sudan, you see a church that's been persecuted by its own government, Christians that have been killed, pastors that have been detained. And when we see that God weeps for those people. And we know that His passion is to restore dignity and to restore hope and to restore the power of the gospel in these communities. And that's what this church reconstruction program has done. It's come alongside of communities who have suffered greatly because of their faith, and it's helped to restore dignity into those communities.
My name is Marco Wall, and I'm serving God as a pastor. When they came, they said, we are the people from Samaritan Pass. We have come here to reconstruct the church that has been destroyed by the war. I thank God. This is the prayers that we used to pray, that God has been answered.
I'm Bishop William Deng. This was like a battlefield. This was the first building and the wall, which we remembered how we suffered from this heavy war.
They brought for us the cement, they make the brick, they send the crew, they build the wall, and then they put the roofing, and everything is okay. So we thank God for that. The church doesn't mean the building, the one that Samaritan Pass has built for us. But church are the people whom God has called.
My church and the nearby churches are joining together, celebrating what God has done in this area. It is a great celebration.
It is a day that we are going to celebrate of the completion of rebuilding churches in the whole South Sudan. It is not about Samaritans first, but it is about God.
We are coming to the close of this monumental project. In its entirety, the Church Reconstruction Program rebuilt 512 churches from the Nuba Mountains all the way down to the deep south here in South Sudan.
In the name of the Lord Almighty.
There's an amazing passage in the Psalms that says that unless the Lord builds the house, those who build labor in vain. This is really God's doing. This is for God's kingdom and for His glory. And it's a miracle to see that these churches have been reconstructed in a place where people thought it would be impossible. They thought it couldn't be done.
My work is to bring the people, and then I can teach them, and the people also going to teach them, so that we can multiply to be like a tree that having many branches, producing a lot of fruit. I will be like that, and I hope in my heart that I will stand like that tree.